everyone. Welcome to Khali Yoga Center. My name is Michelle. I'm here with Marcus. Today we're doing Uttita Hasta Pada Angustasana A and B, standing leg raise, sometimes called standing big toe hold. All right, Marcus, standing leg raise, A. So start with your feet on 12 o'clock, big toes straight ahead, stand up tall, set your drishti forward. Now bend your left knee up into your chest, grab a hold of your left knee with your left hand, activate the bottom foot, the left foot, and stand up tall. And the standing leg raise A is great here, or you can grab your big toe with your first two fingers and straighten your leg forward. Lengthen the spine. The tall, stabilized core is important for this pose. All right, standing leg raise A. Draw your upper arm back, integrated in line with your right. Now open to the right. Yeah. And it's okay to fall, right? Our brains, our egos don't necessarily like falling, but our spirit does. So see the smile? All right, let's go. Open out. You got it. Drishti Ujjayi. Okay, and from here, open to the best of your ability. Yes, for fun and growth. Take that hand out long. Look out towards the fingertips and beyond. Okay. Drop the left hip down to meet the right. Okay. Good work. Some common modifications for standing leg raise is to stay with the knee. So come to center, set up your true north feet, hug your knee in towards your chest. Yeah. And so you can have your toes pointed. I prefer flexed because do you notice how it fires up your whole leg?
Yeah.
So yeah, flexed foot. And so with the knee, you can open out. Yeah. You can keep your hand on your hip here, flex the foot. Yeah. And drop your hip down to meet your other hip, so in line. Yeah, really tall. Lengthen the side bodies. Yeah. Hint of a smile. Yeah. Great. Another modification is you can use a strap. There you go. Start with your feet on 12 o'clock and then loop your left foot in the strap. Yeah, and use your left hand for the strap. Right hand on the hip. Good. And extend your left leg forward. Yeah. Now open up to the left. Stand up tall. Come back to center. Yeah, and you can keep your hand on your hip or extend it out. Yeah, and look out, Parshva Drishti. Good work. Yeah, and with a strap, it's easy to come right back in and pull it back to center. Come on back. Oh, you like it. You want to stay in it. Stay in the fire. Come on back to center. Good. Some common misalignments in standing leg raise is the hip out of alignment. So I'll grab the strap from you. Start with your left knee with your left hand. Flex. And so one misalignment is just no energy in this foot. The other misalignment that I see the most is the hip lifted high. So open out to the left, and then the hip is way up high. And this misalignment is just really common because what happens is you're trying to get the biggest expression. And what I've discovered is more in true north alignment with a lesser expression is going to create an access to your real raw power. So try that again with your knee. Open out to the left, and then lower the outer thigh down and the inner thigh up. Activate the hand. Yeah. So the real true power comes in. I think you can lower it down like 2 more inches. Yes, bend this knee just a little bit to get that lowering. Lengthen the side bodies. Yes, great. Another common misalignment I notice is locking out this knee and popping out the hip and blowing out the rib cage. Yeah. So blow out the ribs, yeah, lock out the knees, stick the butt out. Yeah. So this is disintegrated. Disintegration might have you feel like in a big expression, but their energy contents are just spilled out. So pull everything in. Low ribs and hips come together, feet alive, stand up tall. Yeah, the power is right here. Steady and calm. Yeah, really good work, Marcus. Yeah. How do you feel?
I feel alive in my whole body.
Alive in your whole body.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here today. Again, my name is Michelle. This is Marcus.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Thank you.